Relax it down. Keep your spine straight. Arch to the back. Suck your belly in. And from here, close your eyes. Completely relax yourself. Ground yourself on your mat. And set your intention for today's practice. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your shoulders, your arms, and your fingers. Relax your knees and your toes. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Without disturbing your posture, place your hands heart center. Take another start with breath. From here, we'll start our class with 3 arms together. So take an inhale first. From here, please open your eyes. Feel warm with your palms and your eyes. Inhale. And as you exhale, slowly open your eyes inside your palms. Place your palms towards the chest. Look towards your palms. Place your hands together. Namaste, everyone. Namaste. Kaya mo lang ang tayo. Kapag makusog natin, Okay guys, let's start the class. Sit in Dandasana. Feet straight in front of you. Make sure your toes is in line with your ankles. So from here, palms to the thighs. Inhale, push your toes up. Exhale, crunch the toes. Inhale up. Exhale, crunch. Inhale up. Exhale, crunch. Inhale up. Exhale, crunch. Inhale up. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lift your toes towards you. Exhale, push your ankles down. But keep your toes lifted. So, inhale, lift the ankles up. Exhale, push it down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, neutral toes. Now, move your toes together. Exhale, push your toes to the side. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Left toes active. Bend your right knee to the chest. Hands to the side. So palms facing towards each other. Point your toes down. Inhale, lift the foot up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Engage the core. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Grab the sole of your left foot. Or right foot. Now, inhale. I want you to lift the foot up. Stretch your toes towards you. Exhale, bend the knees, push the toes down. Inhale, lift. Look forward. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. And stay. Push the toes towards you. And bend your elbows to the side. If you need to stretch the thighs towards your belly. Keep your Forehead, looking forward, try not to lean down. And then push the toes towards you. Push, breathe. For 5, very good. Kaya ang toes towards you. Yeah, good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Let's switch to this other side. Now, right toes active. Bend your left knee to the chest. Hands to the side. Palms facing towards each other. Engage your point. 4. Point your toes down. Inhale, lift the foot up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Grab the sole of your left foot. Now open the chest, spine straight. Lift the foot up. Point your toes towards you. Exhale. Bend the knees. Push the toes down. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Inhale, lift the foot up. Point your toes towards you. Stretch the hamstrings. Push the knees down. Your elbows to the side. Open the chest. Look forward. Breathe for 5. Try not to round your back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Butterfly position. Grab the block. Place your foot on top of the block. Okay. Remain comfortable ka lang with the block. Okay. How about you sa sleep? Okay ka lang? Alright. Now, push your feet together. And then push your heels in the block towards your groin area as near as possible. Alright. Interlace your hands over the toes. Open the chest, spine straight, flap the knees up and down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Diamond position of the foot. Move the block along with it. Now interlace your hands over towards the toes. Inhale, look up, arch the back. Exhale, pull forward, forehead over towards the feet. Inhale, look up, arch the back. Exhale, forward, pull forward. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale, lift. Exhale down and stay. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, lift. I want you to hold both of your toes with your left hand. Open your right hand, twist towards the right. Look over to the right. Twist as much as you can. Breathe for 5. Very good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch. And then breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Now place your palms under your block. So your hands under the feet, and then grab the block. Open the chest. Look forward. Push the chest forward first before you push your forehead over to the feet. Breathe. For 5. Take your time. 4. It's okay. Where your body allows you, stay there for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Alright. Now release the blocks. Malasana. From here, sit in Malasana. Elbows towards the knees. Make sure you're pushing your knees out with your elbows. Place your palms, your thumbs pushes towards your chest. Alright? Maintain the position. 45 degrees down the toes. Breathe. Open a little bit on your feet, or you can push the butt down a little bit more. For 5, 4, 3, 2, And then from here, you're gonna push the hands down with force. Exhale. Inhale, lift up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Place your hands heart center. Lift the heels up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now I want you to lift your right heel first. Right heel. Right heel. Good. Breathe for 5, 4. Only the right. 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch. Lift the left. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Last one. Inhale right. Exhale left. Alright, slowly release. Place your palms down. Now from here, push your toes pointing towards your wrist. So toes pointing to the wrist, grab your big toes. Now inhale, look forward. Sige, lift the butt up, guys. Exhale, push your head down, crown of the head down to the mat. Bend your elbows to the side, belly to the thighs. Good. Breathe. Lift the tailbone up. Sige, kaya for you. And lift the butt. For 5. Good. 4. Bend the elbows to the side, kaya push that. A little bit. Yeah. 3. See. Send the feet, elbows out. 2. The other side goes. Good. Push your tailbone up. Push your head down. And 1. Inhale. Release. Place your palms right in front of you. Step back to plank. Downward facing dog. Push yourself away from the front of the mat. Lengthen the spine. And breathe. For 5. For those that are able to push your heels down, toes up. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale. The right foot towards the back. Right foot to the back of the mat. Maintain straight up legs. Try not to lift your right hip higher than your left. Square that hip. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Let's do the left side. Inhale. Lift the left leg up. Make sure that your knees are straight. Breathe for 5. Kaya pa higher siya. A little bit. Yeah, enough. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Right foot forward in between the hands. Okay? Now, left knee down. Inhale. I want you to interlace your fingers. Lift the hands up. Make sure your knee and your ankle is in one line. Check your alignment first, guys. Now, inhale. Bend to the right. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch. Inhale to the left and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your hands over towards the knees. Release the fingers. Over the knees, open the chest. Lift the chest up first. Lengthen the spine. Look up the ceiling. Arch the back. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your palms right in front of you. Cup your fingers. Inhale, straighten the leg. Push your head to the knee. Exhale, bend the knee. Look forward. Inhale, straighten the leg. Toes up. Push your head to the knee. Lift the toes up. Breathe. Good. Inhale, bend the knees. Look forward. Exhale, straighten. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Last one. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. From here, push your head this time. Push your head as near as possible to the knee. Make sure your knees are pushed down. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the knees. And then I want you to grab your right foot or your left foot with your left hand. Opposite hand. Belly face. Now open the chest. Then you can place your right hand over towards your right knee. Open the chest. Left. Right hand over the right knee. So open the chest. Breathe for 5. Stop the useful focus. 4. Hinay-hinay na. China. 3. Okay. 2. And 1. Place your palms down. Step back. Downward facing dog. 3. For 5. Lengthen the spine. 4. Stay 30. Bend the knees a little bit. Make sure your knees is pushing forward, not to the side. Push forward. 3. 2. Fingers pointing forward. And 1. Inhale, left foot forward, in between the hands. Knee and ankle in one line. Now, knee pads if needed. Inhale, I want you to lift. Release the fingers, lift the hands up. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, untap your toes, and 1. Bless you. Now, inhale, bend to the left. Breathe. 5, untap your toes. 3, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, bend to the right and breathe for 5. Keep the chest open. Try not to push this elbow in. 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, your fingers over towards the left knee. Open the chest movement. Open the chest. Push the chest up. Lengthen the spine. Look at the ceiling. Arch the back. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Cup your fingers. Now inhale, look forward. Exhale, straighten the front leg. Push your head to the knee. Inhale, bend the knee, look forward. Exhale, straighten. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Make sure your butt is not towards the heels. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Last one. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Push your head to the knee. And stay. Breathe for 5. Knees backward a little bit on the right side to the seat. 4. Push the knee back. 3. The right one. Yes. 2. Good. And 1. Slowly release. Alright. Place your palms down. Step back. Downward facing dog. Grab the top of my hand. Grab the right foot with the right hand. Open the chest. Look forward. Breathe. Take your time. Slowly. For 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your palms down. Step back. Downward dog. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees down. Tabletop position. Again, check your wrist and your ankle in one line. Okay. Now, inhale, look up, arch the back, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, chin to the chest, down the back, and hunch. Make sure your middle finger is pointing forward, not to the side. Inhale, look up, arch the back, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, chin to the chest, round the back, and hunch. Inhale, arch. Exhale, hunch. Inhale, arch. Exhale, hunch. Last one. Inhale, arch. Exhale, hunch. And stay. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, look up, arch the back, and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now push your belly down towards the mat. Let's go to Bhujangasana Cobra. Let's do it 3 times. Alright? Palms beside the chest. Alright, not the belly. Chest, guys. Sige, so let's see. Move the hands forward back. Alright, good. Now inhale. Push yourself away from the front of the mat. Make sure you're pushing your shoulders down. Elbows should be bended. See, breathe. Push your elbows in. Breathe for 5. Lower your butt. 4. Okay. 3, 2, and 1. Release more. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Practitioners that has been with me for a bit, feet together, heels together. Inhale, lift up, cobra. Engage your core and your back muscles. Relax on arms, breathe. For 5, shoulders away from the ears. 4, hands in front of konti, breathe. 3, the hands. 2, and 1, slowly release. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last one. Inhale, lift. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tuck your toes directly back to downward facing dog. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sit on your heels in Vajrasana. From here, cactus arms next. Sige, window na lahat. Sige, ikaw na naman. From here, cactus arms. Inhale, lift the hands up overhead. Exhale, push your elbows to the side of the body, as in lower body. Good. Inhale, lift up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Palms facing towards the mirror. Inhale. Exhale. Hold the hands together and hunch. Inhale, open. Exhale, hunch. Inhale, open. Exhale, hunch. Inhale, open. Exhale, hunch. Last one. Inhale, open. Exhale, hunch. From here, palms facing towards each other. Engage the core. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. Open to the right side. Breathe for 5, 4. Lower down the other hand. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. Lift the hands up. Exhale. Open to the left for 5, 4. Try not to lean backwards. Move forward to the left. Yeah. 3, 2, and 1. Knees together. Inhale, lift. Sige, push the knees together. Exhale, open to the right. Inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, open to the left. Inhale, lift. Exhale, right. Inhale, lift. Exhale, left. From here, inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, your fingers pointing towards your toes. Place your palms to the back. See. So open the chest. You're gonna lean backwards. Yes, lean backwards. Both hands down, guys. Both hands down. Open the chest. Fingers pointing to your toes, not to the window. Open the chest. Look up the ceiling. Arch the back a little bit, but butt should still be down. Face the butt down to the heels. Maintain. Breathe. For 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. I want you to lift the butt up. Same position. Lift the butt up. Let's go. Breathe for 5. Take your time. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Good. Now, palms over to the thighs. Inhale, look up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, chin to the right shoulder. Exhale, chin to the left. Inhale to the right. exhale to the left. Inhale right, exhale left. Last one, inhale right, exhale left. Inhale, right ear to the right shoulder. Exhale, left ear to the left shoulder. Inhale to the right, exhale to the left. Inhale right, exhale left. Last one, inhale right, exhale left. Downward facing dog, guys. Let's go. Downward facing dog. Push yourself away from the front of the mat. Lengthen the spine and breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, bend the knees, step or hop forward. From here, now, step or hop forward. Let's go. Inhale, lift the hands up, arch your back. Exhale, now. Pull forward, grab the ankles, push your head to the shin bones. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your palms down, step or hop back to plank. From plank, chaturanga. For those that are practicing chaturanga full, push down. Inhale, upward facing dog, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release these down muna. Look at me. Okay? So, hand back on this.
Ang cellphone. May nagbubota doon yung cellphone. Ato pa, kanino?
Sige, yan.
Okay, lang. Record pa.
Okay, so, from here, now when we start with chaturanga, I want you to push your knee down. Do not fall. This is not chaturanga. This is just pushing down. Okay? No shortcuts. We're not going to strengthen ourselves with that. So, if you're still practicing it, knees down. Push forward. Bend. Clip the arms in. Look forward. Alright? The full chaturanga you guys already know. Okay? So, from here, knees down muna. Push forward. Now, the next sequence, I will ask you. So, okay, chaturanga no. Upward facing dog. This leg should not be on the mat. So you have to open the chest, look forward, lift your legs and your knees up. This is the only thing that touches the mat and your palms. Okay? Now, tuck the toes, downward dog. So the next sequence, same pa din, but when it comes to chaturanga, I want you to push the right foot down. Now, if this is difficult, knees down. Same concept. Okay? Lift the foot up. Alright? Let's do the same thing. Sequence only chaturanga is different. Chalo. Let's go. Downward facing dog. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. Now, bend the knees, step or hop forward. Guys, bend the knees, step or hop forward. Check guys. Nagkopyahan ko. Let's go. Inhale, lift the hands up, arch your back. Exhale, fold forward. Grab the ankles, push your head to the shin bones. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your palms down. Step or hop back to plank. Now choose your chaturanga variation. Chaturanga, the foot should be up. Yeah. Now, inhale, lift up. Sige. Okay. So, when you go down na nakalift lang. Okay? So, what you need to do, step. Okay? And then, lift up again. Step the other one. Oh my God, Alright. Knees down. For those that are practicing yung with chaturanga, knees down. Knees down. Then let's switch. Lift muna before you switch. Chalo, let's do it together. Yes. What's happening? Okay. So, ang knee Lift the right foot. Press forward. Let's go, Lucia. Press forward. Okay. Your elbow should not be out. Flip. Like you would in cobra. Yeah. Now, push your chest forward. Yeah. Inhale, lift. Look forward. Look forward. Exhale down. Switch. Let's switch. Inhale. Now step. Push forward. And then lift. Flip the foot. Upward facing dog, guys. Upward facing dog, lift up. Open the chest. Breathe. For 5. Sige, Celeste, let's go. What happened? Where are you? Upward dog na girl. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Breathe. For 5, 4. Let's do it again, guys. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, bend the knees, step or hop forward. Okay, again. Again, guys. But bend the knees, don't push it down. I didn't say put the knees down. Okay, so when you're downward dog, okay, I'll show you the full sequence. Bend the knees. Okay, lift the hands up, arch your back. Exhale down. Grab the ankles, push your head to the shoulders. Palms down. Step back. Chaturanga, 1 foot down. Inhale, lift. Chaturanga again, 1 foot down. Inhale, lift. From here, hop, tap, open the chest. Upward dog, tap. Downward dog. Okay? Chalo, let's go. Sit. So, downward facing dog muna. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, bend the knees, step or hop forward. Good. Oh, careful. Inhale, lift the hands up. Careful, arch your back. Exhale, fold forward. Grab the ankles. Push your head to the shin bones. Inhale, place your palms to the side of the feet. Step or hop back. Chaturanga, bend the knees down if you want to. 1 foot up, best. Up, then lift up. Lift up, switch. It's okay. Tap, lift the other foot. And then push down and lift. Lift the foot up. Release, upward facing dog. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Upward facing dog. Knees should not be down. Lift that up. Good. Tap the toes. Downward facing dog. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees down. Extended child's pose. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly. Lift yourself up. Last variation. Same thing. Chaturanga will pa rin different. Okay. So, look at me first. So, kanina, you're gonna lift the foot up before you go down. This time, you go down, lift the foot up. Then switch. Lift. Downward up. Okay? Alright? So, this one is a little easier if you're doing the knees down. Okay lang. Just switch the knees. Alternate. Okay. Modification. It's okay. Chin down. Then, lift up. Or, chin. Push down now. Lift. Knees down. Lift. But still, I'm maintaining my chest down. My elbows are bended. You don't lift that up. Okay? Chalo. Let's go. Downward dog. Downward facing dog. Inhale. Bend the knees. Step or hop forward. Careful, guys. With control. Lift the hands up. Arch your back. Exhale. Fall forward. Grab your ankles. Push your head to the shingles. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Place your palms down. Step back. Chaturanga, reversion. Knees down or not. Lift the 1 foot up. Lift 1 foot up. Exhale. Lift the left. Alright. Lift yourself up. Upward facing dog. Let's go. What happened? I cannot lift. Tuck the toes. For 5. Dapat ang mga goals this year. Itong IUR is magiging strong. 3, 2, and 1. Extended chest pose next. For 5. Hindi ko naman ngayon sa tulong yun. I'm making it a regular in the class. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, back to downward dog. Wrist is tight. Sige, hold muna and then hold. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. Back to downward facing dog. Now, from here, inhale your right foot forward in between the hands. Slowly. I want you to lift your hands up. High lunge. Alright? Work on your high lunge. Make sure your knees is up. Do not bend the knee. Breathe. Knees forward should be 90. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your hands on center. Now slowly inhale, lift your left foot up. Point your toes. Breathe. For 5, 4. Try not to lean backwards. Keep your spine straight. 3, 2, and 1. Grab your big toe with the right hand. Push the right foot forward. Left hand to the back. Look towards the left. Open the chest. Breathe. Dancing Shiva. For 5. Find your balance. 4, 3. Sige. Let's go more, Sheila. 2. Take your time. Kung di pa kaya, knees na lang muna. And 1. From here, slowly. I want you to lift the hands up. Place your hands heart center. Exhale. Kick the foot to the back. Align your ankle towards your hips. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Step the foot back. Directly to high lunge. And breathe. For 5. Push the knee forward. The back knee lifted. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your palms down. Now, directly push the right foot up. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the knee. Push the knee up to the ceiling. Open the hips. Step your right foot back towards the left. Open the chest, arch the back. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your palms down. Extended chest pose. Relax. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, let's go back to downward facing dog. Let's do the opposite side first. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. Now, your left foot up. Push the left foot forward. Knee and ankle in one line. Lift the hands up. High lunge. Breathe. For 5, make sure your back knee is straight. 4, lift the heels up. 3, 2, and 1. Place your hands heart center. Slowly move your left knee forward. Right knee forward. Lift the hands up. Breathe. For 5, 4. Find your balance. 3, 2, and 1. Grab your big toe with your left hand. Kick the foot forward. Breathe. For 5. So try to hold it this way. Ganyan. 4. Sige, knees lang muna mo sila. 3, 2. Find your balance. And 1. Now from here, place your hands heart center, and then kick your foot back. Align your ankle towards the hip. Move forward. Breathe. For 5. Find your balance. 4, one. Step the foot back. Directly to high lunge. Same space that you did kanina, guys. Breathe. For 5. Check your alignment of your feet. 4. Backward ng konti ang foot mo, Corinne. 3, 2, and 1. Place your palms down right in front of you. Now step your left foot high towards the back. Bend the knee. Push your hip bone open. Push the foot towards the right side. Straighten the arms, arch the back. Breathe for 5. Lift the heels up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your palms down. Knees down. Child's pose. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, slowly come back up. Now, downward facing dog. Go to lizard's pose. What's happening? Let's go there. Now, from here, your right hand beside the left. Make space for your right foot. Inhale, step your right foot forward beside the right hand. Open the chest, look forward. Find your balance. Breathe. For 5. Look forward, guys. Not look down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Move forward and back. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Palms down. So make sure your fingers are not down. Palms down. Now, inhale. I want you to lift your right hand up. Look up to the right hand. Twist. Breathe. For 5. Find your balance. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly. Now your turn up. So, you lift. Let's go. Breathe. Lift up. For 5. Open towards the right. Make sure your front knee is at 90. 4. Bend the knee at 90. 3, 2, and 1. Place your palms down. Now move the fingers forward as far as you can. Cup the fingers. Lengthen the spine. Look towards the fingers. Breathe for 5, 4. Find your balance. 3, 2, and 1. Knees down. Knees down. Elbows down. So from here, I want you to place, so elbow down now, bend your left knee. Grab your left foot with the right hand. Slowly. Elbows down. Open the chest and then twist that foot towards the left. Breathe. Yes, your right foot to the left. Open. For 5. Let's go. So you know she left. Left foot to the left side. For 5. Yeah, twist. Twist the left foot towards the left side. 4. No, that was enough. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly. Breathe. Space your palms down. Step back. Downward facing dog. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Your left hand beside the right. Step your left foot forward. From here, cup your fingers, palms down, sorry. Palms down, tuck your toes in. Now look forward, breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Move forward and back. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, inhale, left hand up. Twist the body. Left hand up. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, lift yourself up. Twist. Open to the left. Find your balance. Breathe. For 5, Make sure your front knees bended at 90. 4. Sige, front knee. Bend pa sa left hip. Good. 3. Let's go. Sheila. Make her back. 2. And 1. Slowly release. Now, knees down. Oh no. Move the hands forward as far as you can. Breathe. Let's strengthen the biceps for 5. 4. Your heel down sa listing. The left heel. 4. It's lifted. 3. 2. And 1. Knees down. Now from here, your elbow down. Inhale. Twist. Left hand up. Okay. Then grab. Now move the right foot to the right. Breathe for 5.
Kaya ko ba?
6. Take your time. 4. But elbows down, guys. Elbows down. 3. 2. And 1. So release. Palms down. Extend your chest close. Relax. Breathe. For 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Back bends. Turn. Puppy pose for 2 minutes. Alright? So make sure your knee and your hip bone is in one line. And then you move the hands forward. Chin and chest down if you can. Look forward. Sensing. Move forward back. Your plexus around the back. Yeah. Forward for me. Good. Feet down. Stay. Maintain the position. Keep breathing, guys. Allow yourself to fall forward towards the mat. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now, wait just a second. See, relax muna. Go, push. Push forward muna. Belly down to the mat. Breathe. For 5, 4, say correct. Wait na. 3, 2, and 1. Now come back to puppy pose. And then from here, I want you to lift. So find your balance. Lift your right leg up. As in straight. Right leg, yes, good. Maintain the position. Let's go. Breathe. Find your balance. For 5. Very good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Take your time, point your toes. Try not to lean to the right. Breathe. For 5. Very good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch. Now this time, I want you to bend your right knee. So, please, place your left leg over towards the right foot. And keep that chin and chest down. Okay? Yeah. Try not to lean backwards now. Straight left, straight.
So the foot to the butt.
Nasa center. Yeah.
Center.
Yeah. Open. Find your balance. Okay? Lift. Let's go, guys. Bend the knee, Ma'am Sheila, the right one, and then you please straighten the left leg for 5. Straighten this one. Push it up. 4. For the thigh should be up. Maintain puppy pose.
Oh.
3. Let's go. Good. See how she does. 2. Good. Straighten the leg green. And 1. Slowly release. Breathe muna, breathe. Let's go. Kailangan ng tambalan. 4. Allergic ka?
Wait,
3. 2. And 1. Let's switch to the other side, guys. Maintain your balance. Make sure your arms are straight. Your chin and chest down. Okay, let's go. Now bend the left knee. There. Straighten your right leg. Place the right leg over towards the left foot. Baliktad. Baliktad kayo.
Nauna natin kanina.
Opposite na
Ayan, sabay.
Okay, great.
Okay.
For 5. Let's go. Very good, Roshila. Let's go, guys. 4. Very nice. 3. Look forward. 2. And 1. Slowly. Release.
Muli na ako kanina. Nasa-slide ka na rin.
Amen ba? Oras na bumalik yung bago kayo.
Na naman.
For 5.
Tiil.
Sa noon ko na lang ito.
Na naman.
4. Ay, mga practitioners na kaya na yung mag-get mas ito. So, yan. 3, 2, and 1. Belly down. Grab your ankles. Go to the Dhanurasana. Grab your ankles, and then I want you to push your toes to the back.
Healthy. Alam mo na, kaya ko mo kinahirap.
Naihan ka kasi na-absent yung pagkakita mo.
Oo, amoy ko.
This is difficult. Now, open the chest, kick the foot. Look forward, breathe. Knees in, and then mo sila. Kaya, for 5. Very good. Sige guys, kick, open the chest, push the foot back. 4. Very good. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly. Release.
Okay.
Relax. For 5. Sisinabot ko yung video. 4, 3. Don't worry, Ma'am Sheila, I gave 4. 2, and 1. Alright, from here. Inhale. Now, I want you to lift yourself up. Downward facing dog. And breathe. For 5, lengthen your spine. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the knees, hop forward. Sit to chair pose. Maintain the position. Again, make sure your knees is not crossing your toes. If your toes, look down. Look at your toes. If you cannot see your toes, push your knee back. Push your butt back. Open the chest. Celestine, your knees are crossing your toes. So move the butt back, push your knee back. Yeah. Arms beside the ears. Tuck your tailbone in. No arch in the back. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your hands heart center. Twist your elbow towards your left elbow to the right knee. Elbow to the right knee. Open the chest. Breathe. For 5. Sige. Push in back. Open the chest. Kaya mo, Ma'am Sheila. 4. 3, 2, and 1. Step the left foot back. Maintain the position, guys. Left foot back. Breathe. Straighten the leg. So you're in this position. For 5, 4. Twist from the belly. 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, inhale. Cup the fingers. Right in front of you. Lift. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3. Let's go. 2, and 1. Hold your right ankle with the right hand and try to push your head some more to the knee. Breathe. For 5, find your balance. Lift the left foot up. 4, 3. It's okay. 2, and 1. Place your palms down. Step back. Downward facing dog. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right, relax muna. Knees down. Extend the chest moves. Last push. Left side later. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Left side. Downward facing dog. From here, bend the knees. Step or hop forward. Sit to chair pose. Maintain the position. Again, check your knees. Your knees should not be crossing your toes. Push the butt back. Sige, sa listing. Butt back muna. Some more. Breathe. For 5, 4. Sit. 3, 2, and 1. Hands heart center. Push your right elbow to the left. Twist the body to the left side. Knees together. Not open those knees. Find your balance. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3. Okay, not pushing elbows now. Okay. 2, and 1. Step your right foot back. Again, as far as you can. Open the chest. Breathe. Take a toes, guys. Heels up for 5. Lift the heels up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Cup the fingers. The fingers should be near your foot, so it's easier to lift the foot up. Inhale, engage the core, lift your right foot up. And push your head down. Breathe. For 5. Take your time. 4. Find your balance. Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. Hold your ankle with the left hand. And push the forehead more. Find your balance. Lift the foot higher a little bit. Breathe for 5. There you go. One hand over the 4. Mahirap yung ginagawa kong sinistig. Dalawang kamay mo na sa ako. 3, 2, and 1. Step back. Downward facing dog. And breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. Extend the chest pose. Relax. Then we're gonna pull down and breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hit yourself. So your head is towards the back. It's burning. It's burning. And legs are burning, yes. It's Monday after all. It's leg day and Monday, even if it's a full body class. Alright. Lie down, your head towards the window. From here, I want you to get your straps this time. Okay. Get the straps and then place your straps over the legs. Stretch the legs. What's happening? Oh, Sheila? So point your toes towards you, stretch. That's breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Push your forehead towards your toes. Lift, breathe. For 5. Very good. Hinay-hinay lang ha. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so release the straps. Now, hug your right knee, left leg straight. Push the knee towards the chest. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now twist the knee muna towards the left side. Your right hand, or cactus arms and hands, if matatouch mo yung neighbor. And look towards the right. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch. Inhale, push your left knee in, hug, breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Twist the knee towards the right, left hand straight, look to the left hand, breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, push both knees towards you, push your head to the knee. Roll yourself into a ball. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Grab the big toes. Open the legs, happy baby pose. And breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Grab the knees, roll up and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax the shoulders. Palms facing the